We have a 2017 Dodge Challenger and we are going to replace the starter, and this is 5.7 Hemi, so we're going to show you step by step how to replace the starter in 2017 Dodge Challenger. So stay tuned. As you can see we already raised the vehicle with the 6-ton jack. So first we have to remove this splash shield here. So there are 10 millimeter here, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 here. So we're gonna remove this splash shield here. It's not here. The starter location in Dodge Challenger is on the driver's side by the steering assembly here, and here first we have to remove the cap, and then I'm just zooming in. As I think you can see right here, take out this one, right, like that, and then we're gonna remove these 2 balls here and just slide it up inside and bring to here and then take it off from here. And we're gonna remove the battery from the positive and the negative, and it's on the back. So as you can see, we remove the bolt from the steering assembly right here, this one. Now we are going to remove these 2 starter bolts here. Right, one is done. We successfully take off the starter here, but we have to remove the wiring harness from here. This is one is 12 mm and another is 13 mm. Successfully we take out the starter from here. So we already put the new starter, so we just need to tighten the main bolt here, one here and another here, and we already put the wiring harness. We already joined the wiring harness, and then we're gonna put this rod on the steering again on the top, and we're done. We're going to put this socket there. It's done. Wiring harness and everything is done. At the bottom we are done with everything. New starter motor, 2 bolt tight, and just recap quick, and the wiring harness over here. Then we already joined the steering, as you can see we marked that, and it's on the right position. Starter motor is here, and now we are going to pack up our stuff on the bottom. So we're going to put the splash shield here, and yes, so here done. It's done, everything done. So we put some napkins rag here, so we cannot lock this hood, right? And now we're gonna put the battery and tie it up right there. Now positive terminal. Now successfully that is on the starting condition. The engine works fine, everything is good.